Every student of ours is an image bearer of God, complete with skills and abilities that God has given to them that they're to use to serve the world.
We are seeing the need for school to be responsive to student interest and student direction.
We want students to be really in tune with their gifts, with their abilities, and we want all of our courses to be a filter for those things.
The Career and Tech Ed stream refers to a programming direction where we are giving students opportunities to drill down and explore more deeply areas of curricular interest that they have. The Green Industries course is a great example of this.
Green Industries is a course in which students get the opportunity to learn more about agriculture, landscaping, welding, blueprinting or drafting, and being able to be certified for grower pesticide safety spraying.
It's kind of like a different course than any that I've ever taken, and it was a lot of things that I wouldn't even think to do. Like, we designed houses and landscaping. We learned about different growing methods of plants, so we did hydroponics and traditional.
My favorite learning experience in that class was small engines that we did. It was something I'd never done. Now I know how to put them back together and figure out the problem.
My favorite learning experience would probably be learning new life skills and actually being in the job, like learning how to be in a work environment.
We did welding, so we got to go to a facility that isn't at the school. We learned about all the risks, if you didn't wear all the proper protective gear. And also there's sparks flying everywhere, so it's kind of scary to start. But once we did it, it was really fun. And then once you got the hang of it and got good at it, I really enjoyed it.
We want to allow our students to pursue what they know interests them and open doors of opportunity for them.
Green Industries has definitely showed me different career paths I could take. I had a little bit of idea that I wanted possibly to be an agronomist, but then I went into that class and we had someone come in and I'm like, oh, I definitely want to be an agronomist.
What I want to do in the future is, it's called a heavy-duty equipment technician. So it's very much hands-on, and I like that. I like using my hands.
There's some students that prefer to be digging into more hands-on work. So it's great that this program offers students the opportunity to not only learn those skills, but see that there are those job opportunities out there as well.
Some of our students in the CTE streams will go off to university. Others will go straight into an apprenticeship. Others will go straight into the workforce. And our hope is that their learning in the career and technical education streams has equipped them to be successful and to contribute to the world in those areas with what they've learned.
I think a lot of the course was kind of helping me to decipher the things that I liked and that I don't, and it kind of introduced some new things and new topics that I might want to get into or further experience in.
We are hopeful that they learn more about how God has gifted them. They can try on different experiences in classes and then begin to make decisions about their pathway from there.
We know that learning happens in lots of different contexts and lots of different ways. I think this model allows us to give students a really robust high school experience that meets them where they're at and that validates their interests and their passions.